Hello, good afternoon, traders. Good afternoon, Philippines. Today is Tuesday, December 22nd, and it's approximately what time is it here in the Philippines? It's 3:19, 3:20 p.m. So it's 2:19 a.m. Eastern in the U.S. So before I go on, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comments made during this live stream should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This live stream is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how I trade the legacy strategy that I teach my students. Any past performance of this legacy strategy should not be taken or should not, any past performance of this legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I am neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader, like most of the traders who are watching this are as well. So, once again, this live stream is strictly for educational purposes only. So, with that said, I am looking at this. We've been having a down movement here. Let me see if I can find a more of a zoomed out look. This is more of the zoomed in look. And what I'm looking at right now, so far, what I've seen is this. Here is more of the macro look or the zoomed out view. If I can get this, there we are. Get this chart over here. So that's where we're at right now. During the overnight or during the yesterday's session, it was mostly an up move. It started off as down during the overnight session yesterday, and now we are now going back down. I think this up move was more of a correction back down, I think. So again, we are seeing a down movement right now, as you can see here in the current overnight market or session. And this is where we're at. So I'm looking for this to continue going down. Hopefully, there's my target. And how I base that on is basically did a Fibonacci on this one right here. So basically, there's our from here to here. We had another move. So basically, it's from here. The retrace. This is the second wave down. Um, so my target is down here. Here's that's what I'm looking for. Here's a second wave. Here's a second. This is basically the extension down here. I'm basically trying to get it maybe here. I may have to adjust because I'm trying to figure out where the VWAP deviation levels are. It's right here, -1, and here's -2. So I am maybe looking at maybe right here, -3, went down to -3. So that's where I'm looking at. Touching the -2 deviation, right? So that's where my target is. It went all the way back to almost try to retrace to the VWAP, but right now, based on our strategy, we would trade a strategy based on the Keltner channel. So that's basically where we're at right now. That's why I entered this trade. It's more like a V1 setup. So we'll see what happens here. Again, my target is here, and that's good for approximately. Okay, so my target is 7 points, right? My risk is approximately 4 points. So maybe good for one. My risk will be 1 to 1.5, which is my minimum. Well, maybe my minimum should be 1 to 1, but in this case it's a little over 1.5, a little under 1 to 2, 2 to 1. So basically a little under 2 to 1, but good enough to be 1.5 to 1. So we'll see how this goes. I'm currently I traded. You can see here I did some two trades here. I think it was two trades. I'm up a total of 237 right now. Uh, so what I'm looking here is, yeah, I did three trades. Three trades. Right now I'm in profit of 237.50. So we'll see how this goes. If it's going to continue going down, or will this go back up? I have my stop up there. We'll see if that's going to happen. So again, I'll let this go, and I'll put this on, well, not mute, but I'll step away for a minute. So whatever hits my stop or my target, my profit target, you'll know. So let's watch this. I'll step away for a while and talk to you guys later. See what happens.
Stop filled.
So they stopped me out there. Again, we're still in a down. In term, our immediate momentum is still down, and you see the size of those bars. So basically, it's more of erratic movements once again. I'm still expecting this to continue going down. I just want to find out when they're going to do that. As you saw that they had one bar here that was strong momentum to the downside, and then they reversed it again. It eventually got stopped out. I'm looking to maybe get in around here or even here. So we'll see for an entry here.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can do a scalp here, maybe 1.5 points.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, I got filled in that order. That's a more high probability entry right there. But my question is, how erratic will these movements be? So now we have a strong movement here to the upside, and the reason there is we have these three bars right here. That's basically closing at higher point of each other. So therefore, that indicates strong momentum. However, they bring this bar here as a pullback, but you know, hopefully it doesn't pull back all the way down. So I have my stop right here at the beginning of this bar. See right here. If we can find it there at 25 right there. So my risk is around. Let me do a risk to reward here. It's right there. So my risk to reward would be right here. That'd be 1 to 1.5, or 1.5 to 1 risk to reward. So that'd be 82.25, which is about right. If I'm going to be looking at this around right there, okay. So we'll see how this plays out. Again, if I'm going to do this, a lot of erratic behavior rather than um, price honoring the structure, the market structure. Then if it does honor it, just like yesterday, the structure was actually being honored, even though we had all those wild, very volatile day. It was still honoring the market structure. But let's see about this. It's not as volatile as yesterday, but you have a lot of erratic movements, and that's one you have to be very cautious about. So we'll see if that's gonna get will I hit my profit target or not. If not, I'm probably looking at it maybe right here. Let's do that around 50, yeah, 80, 50, just to be more conservative. So that's around what I entered at 75. So there's around 5 points. That's fine. So again, we'll see if this hits. Either way, right now I'm close to break even. I'm up an even $50. That's what after that one loss. So we'll see what happens here. Again, I'll leave and we'll see what I'll come back and see what the result is. Talk to you guys later.
Stop filled.
So it looks like I got stopped out there and we're getting more erratic movements. So this is definitely going to be going down. We hit that. I should have just did it right there. It hit that VWAP and now it's going to continue going down. So let me see if I can place an order right here. It hit the VWAP. It's poised to get down right now. So I'm looking maybe right here. Here we are. 73.25.
Order filled.
Try and get 73. Where was I getting there? Okay, that's fine. That's better. Again, more erratic movements coming up here. But definitely, once it hits this VWAP, it's going to continue going down. That's what I just had to test that. So now we're looking at this to basically get down to at least here. I'm looking at my deviation levels right here, so I'll probably do it right here. Would be a good one. If around 25, yeah, that'd be fine there. So that's approximately 73.63, or almost like 9 points. Yeah, it looks like they're trying to bring. Okay, so I may be wrong with this. We have a change of momentum to the upside here. Again, they're going to test this out, and most likely I'll be stopped out here. Again, here we are, which would be a pretty big loss. Let's see if we can do a double top here. Let's see if we can get out of here. And this is my error in reading the market. See if we can get back further down here. If we not, I will
Order filled.
close it up myself there, because what's going to happen is, again, we have these moves on the bars here. Here is the, we just had this one particular bar where basically the closing was below, so it's definitely going to be going up. Just want to see where, again, it's like we're here by the pullback zone, right? So I'm not really looking at this where it will continue going up. I'm really looking at go down. It's just they brought it up here to test the stop up here. So I'm down at 337. I'll do one more trade to minimize my loss. Right now we have our immediate momentum is up. It's no longer down, it's up. So like in the middle of two things here, this pullback zone where basically pullback where it would continue going down. But our immediate momentum right now is up. So a contradiction.
Order submitted.
Yeah, if I get this pending order filled, target is over here. I'm looking at basically the deviation levels of the VWAP. It's either here or here. If I don't get this filled, then I will end this live stream and just wait for later this evening to see how the market moves. But right now I'm down 337.
Order filled. So let's see if this breaks all the way down here. This definitely is going to be going back down because it tested this up here. We're going to see where this closes. If it closes below this closing here, then I will definitely get out of this trade, depending if it hits my stop. So see, they're trying to bring this close this bar here above this close of the previous bar. Now the close of this previous bar, or let's say the close of this bar is below this close of the previous bar, then there's a possibility that's going to continue going down. We have almost like a doji up here, so that's the reason why. So it really depends on, really important on where this bar closes. So you see it closed below. So what I'm going to do is now raise my stop loss here to here. Because if this continues to come down, I will take a sell order at this point, and it should. Let me see here. So at this point, and my profit target would be right here. So let's see what they're going to do here. See, technically, this closing is below this the previous closing, right? So they may just fake this out and bring it lower than this closing here. So it depends on where this current bar is going to close. It's going to close above this previous bar's closing, or will it close below? That will determine. That's why I put my stop loss here.
Stop filled.
So now we know what they're going to try to do. I'll wait for this. If they can get past this here, right here, this will definitely be going down right there. So there, 50.
Order submitted.
Let me do this. Bring this down.
Order filled.
Okay. That's where my take profit is. We'll see the momentum here. What's gonna happen here? So we're at 18. So you see how they're running this very erratic. They bring it down, now they bring up another big bar going up to the upside. Yeah, I'm gonna stop this out. I'm already down close to. I'll be down more than 400 or 500 here once I know where. Yep.
Order filled.
So I'm down 700 right now. So with that, I will end it for. We'll see for the overnight session, and you can see they're just going up and down here with these long erratic bars. So I will see what's going to happen during the overnight session here. Okay. Not the overnight session, the morning session. See how we do there. Maybe we can I can minimize my loss. Talk to you guys later. Okay. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.